The temple town of Puri is all decked up for the grand festival of democracy. The constituency goes to the polls on the 25th of May. The seat is considered one of the most prestigious ones in the state. Lord Jagannath Temple attracts millions from around the nation every year. The election campaign of major political parties remains focused on two issues related to the temple. DD India's Ravi Dhiman reports.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi during a massive roadshow in Odisha's Puri town. Prime Minister also visited the Lord Jagannath Temple. PM also met the temple servitors and promised solution to the lost keys of the temple treasury. Later in the public meetings in the state, Prime Minister targeted the Biju Janata Dal-led state government on the issue of mysterious disappearance of the keys to the Ratna Bhandar or the jewel store of the temple.
बीजेडी सरकार में जगन्नाथ जी का मंदिर भी सुरक्षित नहीं बचा है। पिछले 6 साल से श्री रत्न भंडार की चाबी का अता पता नहीं है। पूरे देश की श्रद्धा, सदियों से जो पूजा होती है, जिसका मालिक स्वयं भगवान जगन्नाथ है, अरे हमारे घर की चाबी खो जाए तो भी हम मन्नत करते हैं, महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी मेरे घर की चाबी जरा खो गई है, कुछ मदद करो। और महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी के आशीर्वाद से घर की चाबी भी घंटे 2 घंटे में मिल जाती है। 6 साल हो गए, रत्न भंडार की चाबी खो गई है।
In April 2018, the state government made an attempt to open the Ratna Bhandar situated near the sanctum sanctorum of the temple, but the keys could not be found. The treasury of the temple contains the gold and jewelries offered by devotees across the world through the years. The state government then ordered a judicial inquiry, and the report was also submitted in November 2018. The report has not yet been made public by the state government. BJD on its part is trying to downplay the entire issue, and its leaders are saying that Ratna Bhandar will be opened during the Rath Yatra scheduled in few months' time. The BJD is trying to showcase the much touted Puri Parikrama project as an excellent achievement. One section of the corridor project around the Lord Jagannath Temple was inaugurated earlier this year.
But most important, if you are asking Puri specific question, there are 3-4 things. One is, yes, this parikrama, because everything revolves around the temple here. Everyone's, whether it's tourism, whether it is people's livelihood, everything, and their lifestyles, everything is temple centric here. There is not a single thing which is not temple centric. So they started the infrastructure backup. Whatever is going on inside the temple, that is as per rituals and whatever, that nobody can do anything. They're going on for last 800 years. There are set traditions, there are set rituals.
Puri, one of 4 Char Dham sites for the Hindus, goes to poll in the 6th phase on 25th of May. The seat has been a Biju Janata Dal bastion since past many elections, with the party's nominees winning it by huge margins, except in 2019 when the BJP managed to considerably reduce the lead. Now the temple town is agog with a political slugfest between the two major parties, BJP and BJD, on issues revolving around the most important landmark of not only the town but the entire state.
Be it the issue of the temple corridor project, for which the state government of the BJD is trying to take all the credit, or the mysterious case of missing keys of the Ratna Bhandar, it is beyond doubt that this electoral season, the Lord Jagannath Temple and the issues associated with it have taken center stage in politics also. In a city used to the chants of Jai Jagannath in almost everything and everywhere, this time around, 2 main issues have taken center stage, that is, the missing keys of the Ratna Bhandar and the temple corridor project. With camera person Sanjay Jaina in Puri, Ravi Dhiman for DD India.
Meanwhile, the opposition parties are not leaving